is Nur Nabila binti Anwar, KBJ 2408100036. My skill is listening.
My name is Nurrata Afina binti Zulkifli, KBJ 2408100026. My skill is speaking.
Good morning, children. Good morning, teacher. How are you today? I'm happy to see you. Yes. Before we start our lesson, you all need to pray first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Children, listen carefully. Today we are going to learn about food. Yes, food can be healthy and food cannot be healthy. Today we use our ears to hear. Listen carefully, but first we use our ears. Can you all touch your ears? Yes, good. These are our listening ears. Are your ears ready? Yes. Okay, we are going to listen the song. We are going to listen the song first. The song is titled of Yummy and Healthy Foods. Are you ready to listen? Yes. Teacher, remember you cannot talk, you just to listen. Are you understand? Yes. Listen. Teacher will play this video.
Do you want a tasty burger?
No!
Do you want an ice cream?
No!
Do you want a candy?
No!
Do you want a fancy cake? Do you want a tasty apple? Do you want a healthy carrot? Do you want bananas? Do you want broccoli?
Yummy, yummy food for you. Eat it up, it's good for you. Yummy, yummy food for you. Eat it up, it's good for you.
Good job. Good listening, everyone. You are very well. Children, sit nicely. Rest on your knees and eyes on me. Today, we use our ears to hear. Listen carefully, but you all do not talk. Okay? Okay, teacher. Teacher has demonstration on this our lesson. This is good of unhealthy food and this not good of unhealthy food. This is good of unhealthy food and this not good of unhealthy food. I remember you again. You not talk. You just hear what we say. Are you ready? Yes. Teacher has Teacher wants you all to listen carefully. This is an apple. An apple? Good. Good or not good? Good. Okay. Next. The next is carrot. Carrot. Healthy or not healthy? What is this? This is burger. Burger. Healthy or not healthy? Next, this is banana. Banana, good or not good? Okay, the next is candy. Candy is unhealthy food or healthy food. Next, this is cake. Cake healthy or not good? Yes, ready. Okay. Teacher want to repeat again. Carrot healthy or not unhealthy? Okay, very well. This is an apple. An apple? Good. Good or not good? Good. Okay. Next. The next is carrot. Carrot, healthy or not healthy? What is this? This is burger. Burger, healthy or not healthy? Next, this is banana. Banana, good or not good? Okay, the next is candy. Candy is unhealthy food or healthy food. Next, this is cake. Cake healthy or not good? Yes, very good. You are listening very well. Excellent listening. Okay. Teacher have a mystery board. In this mystery board have food about healthy and unhealthy foods. Listen the rules. One friend will come and then teacher pick one card. Teacher you all take one card only and then you come, you show the children and you use the finger yes or no. Understand? Yes. Okay. Before that, children must to use finger. Okay, teacher one, Hannah, come here. Yeah, Listen carefully. What is this? Okay, good or not good? Yes, not good. Thank you, instructor. You listen. Teacher one, repeat again. This is hamburger. This is burger. Healthy or unhealthy food? The next is apple. An apple is healthy or unhealthy food? Okay, good. And then this is banana. Banana is healthy or unhealthy food? Yes, good. And the last one is candy. You like candy? Yes. Candy? One. Candy? Good or not good? No. Yes, you listen very well. Good job. Are you understand? Yes. Good job, listeners. Children, look at this board. Teacher have unhealthy food and healthy food. Okay, listen. Okay, at this board, teacher have healthy food and unhealthy food. So, healthy food is good for our body or no? Yes. Yes. Okay, so unhealthy food is good for body? No. Okay. Healthy food is good for body and unhealthy food is not good for body. So, teacher want you play again. So at teacher hands, teacher have mystery box. Can you see mystery box? Are you ready to play again? Yes. Good. Teacher will choose one card or flashcard. Then you will stick our food card or either healthy food or unhealthy food. So, teacher do some demonstration first. Okay, first you need to pick one flashcard. So, okay. For example, this one. What is this? This is healthy food or unhealthy food? Do you see it is an apple? And what do you see at here? Caterpillar. Is that unhealthy or healthy food? Unhealthy. So which one? Healthy food or unhealthy food? And right or left? Left. Yes. Okay, so you need to stick on unhealthy food. Are you understand? Yes. So, okay, listen. So, teacher will pick one person to play a game. So, who wants to Come out. Play a game. Me. Okay, Alia, come here first. Okay, Alia, pick one of the food card. Okay, then show at your friends. What do you think? I pick banana. What is this? Banana is banana. Banana healthy food or unhealthy food? Healthy food. So you need to stick unhealthy food. Is that correct? Yes. So another one. Pick one. Show at your friends. What do you see? What do you pick? Apple. Apple is healthy food or unhealthy food? Unhealthy. Apple healthy and healthy, but at the apple we have So the apple is unhealthy or unhealthy or unhealthy food? Unhealthy food. Okay, thank you, Ayah. So, next person. Okay, next person who wants? Me. Okay, Fateh, come on. Teacher jatuh. Okay, sorry, speaking English please. Okay, Fateh. Okay, Fateh, please pick one of the card in mystery box. What do you say? Is okay, repeat. Is okay. Cake is healthy food or unhealthy food? Unhealthy food. So is it here? No. Here? Yes. Okay, next. Pick one. Rachel. Show your friends. Okay, it is apple. Okay, apple is healthy food or unhealthy food? Healthy food. Where is unhealthy food? Here. Who loves apple? Who loves apple? Me. Okay, good. Teacher phone. Bella, can you come out for your name? Yes, teacher. So, you need to pick one of our cards and then show to our friends. What is this? Carrot is healthy food or unhealthy food? Healthy food. Okay, good. Where is healthy food? So, orally, and teacher very proud of you because you can speaking in English or healthful and unhealthful. So clap your hands. Good job, everyone. Alright, everyone. So let's repeat together our lesson. D is healthy food. Healthy food. C is unhealthy food. Unhealthy food. D is healthy food. Healthy food. C is unhealthy food. Unhealthy food. Okay, good speaking. So, healthy food is good for our body. Yes or no? Yes. Unhealthy food is good our body or no? No. Okay, excellent. If we eat too much candy, cake, hamburger, what will happen? We got sick. Yes, Bella? Yes. Yes. What yes? Sick things. Okay, listen carefully. If we eat too much unhealthy food, what will happen in our body? Okay, what, Bella? We got sick. Okay, good job. And what? And our body can be damaged. Okay, good speaking, okay? It's very good thinking our healthy food and healthy food. So, look at this picture. This is healthy food and this is unhealthy food. This is healthy food and this is unhealthy food. This is what? Healthy food. Unhealthy food. Okay, good job. Can you? Okay, listen. Can you give me one example of unhealthy food? This one what? This one cake. Cake is healthy food or unhealthy food? Unhealthy food. Okay, good speaking. Healthy food. What is example of healthy food did you know? Apple. Banana. Carrot. Either vegetable. Good, Hannah. Good speaking. So, okay. Healthy food can make our body strong, but unhealthy food can make we sick. Yes, can make our body sick and damage them.